Today, I need to go to the bank. Today, I need to go to the bank. I need to withdraw some money. I need to withdraw some money. I also need to transfer some money. I also need to transfer some money. I arrive at the bank. I arrive at the bank. I walk to the entrance. I walk to the entrance. I open the door. I open the door. I walk into the bank. I walk into the bank. The bank is quiet. The bank is quiet. There are a few people inside. There are a few people inside. I look around. I look around. I see the service counter. I see the service counter. There is a short line. There is a short line. I walk to the end of the line. I walk to the end of the line. I wait for my turn. I wait for my turn. The line moves slowly. The line moves slowly. Now it is my turn. Now it is my turn. I walk up to the counter. I walk up to the counter.
Good morning. Good morning. How can I help you today? How can I help you today?
Good morning. Good morning. I'd like to withdraw some money. I'd like to withdraw some money. I also need to make a transfer. I also need to make a transfer.
Of course. Of course. May I see your bank card, please? May I see your bank card, please?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. I take out my wallet. I take out my wallet. I open my wallet. I open my wallet. I take out my bank card. I take out my bank card. Here is my bank card. Here is my bank card.
Thank you. Thank you. May I also see your ID? May I also see your ID?
Sure, sure. I take out my ID. I take out my ID. Here you are. Here you are.
Thank you, Mrs. Miller. Thank you, Mrs. Miller. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment.
No problem. No problem. The clerk checks my information. The clerk checks my information. I wait at the counter. I wait at the counter.
How much would you like to withdraw? How much would you like to withdraw?
I'd like to withdraw $500. I'd like to withdraw $500.
Would you like large or small bills? Would you like large or small bills?
Some large bills and some small bills, please. Some large bills and some small bills, please.
That's fine. That's fine. Please enter your PIN. Please enter your PIN.
I look at the card reader. I look at the card reader. I enter my PIN. I enter my PIN. Then I press the green button. Then I press the green button.
Thank you. Thank you. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment.
The clerk counts the money. The clerk counts the money. She places it on the counter. She places it on the counter.
Here is your $500. Here is your $500. Please count the money. Please count the money.
Thank you. Thank you. I pick up the money. I pick up the money. I count it carefully. I count it carefully. 100, 100, 200, 200, 300, 400, 500. The amount is correct. The amount is correct.
Would you like a receipt? Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Now, let's make the transfer. Now, let's make the transfer. How much would you like to transfer? How much would you like to transfer?
I'd like to transfer $1,000. I'd like to transfer $1,000.
Do you have the account information? Do you have the account information?
Yes, I have it on my phone. Yes, I have it on my phone. I take out my phone. I take out my phone. I unlock the screen. I unlock the screen. I open the message. I open the message. Here is the account information. Here is the account information.
Thank you. Thank you. What is the recipient's name? What is the recipient's name?
The recipient's name is Daniel Brown. The recipient's name is Daniel Brown.
Let me check the account number. Let me check the account number. Please check the information carefully. Please check the information carefully.
I look at the screen. I look at the screen. I check the name. I check the name. I check the account number. I check the account number. I check the amount. I check the amount. Everything looks correct. Everything looks correct.
Is the information correct? Is the information correct?
Yes, it is correct. Yes, it is correct.
There is a $10 transfer fee. There is a $10 transfer fee. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. Yes, that's fine.
Please sign here. Please sign here.
The clerk gives me a form. The clerk gives me a form. She gives me a pen. She gives me a pen. I read the form. I read the form. I sign my name. I sign my name. I give the form back to her. I give the form back to her.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll process the transfer now. I'll process the transfer now.
I wait for a moment. I wait for a moment. The clerk enters the information. The clerk enters the information. She checks it one more time. She checks it one more time.
The transfer is complete. The transfer is complete. The money has been sent. The money has been sent.
That's great. That's great. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Here is your transfer receipt. Here is your transfer receipt. And here is your withdrawal receipt. And here is your withdrawal receipt.
Thank you. Thank you. I take the receipts. I take the receipts. I check both receipts. I check both receipts. The amounts are correct. The amounts are correct. I fold the receipts. I fold the receipts. I put them in my wallet. I put them in my wallet. I put the money in my wallet. I put the money in my wallet. I put my bank card away. I put my bank card away. I put my ID away. I put my ID away. Then I close my wallet. Then I close my wallet.
Is there anything else I can help you with? Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all for today. No, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
You too. You too. I turn away from the counter. I turn away from the counter. I put my wallet in my bag. I put my wallet in my bag. I close my bag. I close my bag. I walk across the bank. I walk across the bank. I walk toward the exit. I walk toward the exit. I open the door. I open the door. I step outside. I step outside. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. I check the time. I check the time. It is almost noon. It is almost noon. I finished everything at the bank. I finished everything at the bank. Now I can go home. Now I can go home. It was a simple visit. It was a simple visit. My banking is done for today. My banking is done for today.